Okay, hello guys, it's Keith here. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about what strategies are in Forex. Okay, so what is a strategy in Forex? A strategy in Forex trading is a technique, okay, a technique used by anyone like you or me or anyone who would like to trade Forex in Forex exchange to determine whether a pair will be purchased or sold at any time. Okay, so in my previous videos, I talked about indicators and what they are, and I said that they help us also predict what will happen in the future, if it will be an uptrend or downtrend, or when we should place an order to buy or when you should sell. Okay, so a technique, you can make your own strategy. As I said earlier on, that um, your strategy may work for you and may not work for me. Also, again, my strategy which I follow might work for me and might not work for you. So it's a matter of uh, trying all sorts of strategies and choosing one which works best for you. And if you're a beginner in forex trading, I suggest that you do not buy any strategy. First of all, try researching more with the free ones and see which one works best for you. Because if you go straight in buying a strategy, you're going to start depending on that strategy to make profit and of course you will eventually be making losses. Okay, so don't rush in buying strategies. As you've seen someone posting screenshots of him making profits, don't go in that. So this is what strategies are. Okay, they may be used in technological or critical news based analysis. As I said earlier on, that you can also use them if you're trading forex or volatility indices. There are a lot of strategies and there are a lot of types of them, but as at now I won't talk about the types of strategies, but I'll be talking about specific strategies. I'll start making videos. For example, I'll be talking one by one, like this strategy, this and this and this and this. So if you're watching this from YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And I'm currently offering a free forex trading course in Zambia on my website. It's 100% free. I'll just click the link in the description if you're watching this from YouTube and register an account and start earning right away. If you've got someone who would like to learn Forex, feel free to share the link, the course, and help out a brother or sister. Okay, so this is Keith Rains. Uh, okay, so that's bye bye for now. Okay.